Malacanang says that there is no way that the Philippines will rejoin the Rome Statute under President Duterte's watch.
But the ICC says this doesn't mean that Duterte's regime will be free from international scrutiny. Maricel Halili with the report.
Despite the withdrawal of the Philippines from the International Criminal Court, ICC prosecutor Fatou Bensouda vows to continue the investigation on the alleged crimes against humanity committed during President Rodrigo Duterte's term. Bensouda said the ICC retains its jurisdiction over crimes committed during the time in which the state was party to the Rome Statute and may still investigate even after the withdrawal becomes effective. But Malacanang thinks otherwise.
If she does it, that means she is violating the provisions of the Rome Statute.
Presidential spokesperson Salvador Panelo says the trial can only be pursued if the court has already started the preliminary investigation prior to the withdrawal. Panelo adds international organizations are conspiring against President Duterte.
I don't know. Why is he doing it? What I know is that international organizations appear to have conspired against this president.
Why?
They opt to believe what they've been receiving from this source, the Philippines, false stories about the situation in this country.
That is if there is such a thing as an unconscious conspiracy.
So unconsciously, they appear to be in conspiracy. Hindi nila siguro alam, parang yun ang lumalabas. Kasi para-pareho mga sinasabi nila eh.
Unconsciously.
Yes.
Is there such a thing, sir?
Look at the figures.
Conspiracy na hindi nila alam na nagko-conspire sila.
Oh yes. Of course. Wittingly or unwittingly.
Assembly of State Parties President Ogon Kwon, meanwhile, remains hopeful that the departure of the Philippines from the Rome Statute is only temporary. But Panelo says there is no way that the state will rejoin the treaty during the term of the president.
Not during the watch of this president. Even other countries, powerful countries, share the same sentiment that ICC has weaponized human rights in the fight against drugs. It has been politically persecuting heads of states.
Complainant attorney Jude Sabio welcomes Bensouda's statement and hopes that the ICC prosecutor will find a reasonable basis for a full-blown investigation of the matter. Malacanang earlier warned that they will have ICC representatives deported should they enter the country to probe on human rights violations. For News 5, Maricel Halili, we are One News.